Hello fanatics, Crazy Russian Dead here. This is going to be rated R for restricted rating of this video. Why? Because I'm gonna talk about this show that I've started watching called Spartacus. If you're under 28 years old, unplug the phone, rewind, please don't watch. Don't show video to children, and certainly don't watch it with your children. But anyhow, I stupidly decided to watch a show together with my son. You know, I figure, okay, it's gonna be like quality father-son time, right? He heard good things about the show called, sorry, I know I need to hold the wheel. That's my father tells me all the time. But I have this very special Toyota Camry, self-driving Camry. Did you know it's very special? I'm joking, it's not self-driving. I'm gonna need to edit this out because I'll get crap from my father. So Spartacus, my 15-year-old teenager, and I decided to watch. I hate this intersection almost as much as Spartacus. I figured, okay, quality time, you know, and I saw the original 1960 movie with Kirk Douglas, very honorable, and, you know, they fight and whatever. Things are nice. But here, Gewalt, I mean, it's like unbelievable. First of all, there is like blood everywhere, okay? And you would think, like, I don't know, normal human being has what, like a gallon or two of blood? But I think in ancient Rome, they think that they had like 20 gallons each and very high blood pressure. They all needed statins or whatever you take for high cholesterol, I mean for high blood pressure. I mean, because like every wound is like, it's like a freaking fountain of blood. I almost passed out. So that's the fighting scene. The other thing is they're mostly naked most of the time, okay, and they engage in, you know, the birds and bees stuff, but we're talking gladiator style. So I'm sitting there next to my 15-year-old, and I can tell you, my father and I never watched something like this together. Of course, they didn't make movies like that before. And I'm like, well, son, have you seen stuff like this before? And he's like, no. I'm like, all right, well, we've had the birds and bees talk. He's like, yeah, Dad, please don't talk about birds and bees. And I agree. I mean, by the time you see gladiators on their the holiday, as it were, you no longer need to talk about birds and bees. It's gratuitous, too much blood and way too much adult stuff. And also, like, why do they talk to each other as if they were like they're slaves, for God's sakes, right? Like, but they speak like Roman senators. What is the meaning of this? As opposed to like, oh, what the hell do you mean? Your intentions are not yet clear to me. You have my gratitude, Lucius. As opposed to like, I don't know, thank you, Lucius, for like not killing me today. I'm kind of hooked. I'm now watching by myself. Like, I told my boy that he's too little to watch it, or at least he's too little to watch it sitting next to me. But I watched last night until 2 a.m. I mean, that's why my eyes are so red. And like this morning, the reason I remembered about the Spartacus is because I was driving to work along the ocean, and I saw this dude walk around. I kid you not, I think he was like he was a gladiator. The guy was like a giant, and these guys are in very good shape. I wonder, like, I'm on a diet, but I think I'm on my way. Like, if I lose another like mere 50-60 pounds, okay, and grow a foot, I think I could be gladiator. It's a good thing they outlawed gladiatorism. It's down to American football now. These guys engage in this ritualized warfare, and they don't kill each other as quickly as the gladiators did. Anyhow, that's my rambling account for today. If you have not watched Spartacus, don't. It should be rated RC for restricted crappy. I mean, it's not crappy, it's just too much violence and too much sex. Okay, but otherwise it's good special effects, but it's not special if it's all the time. So anyhow, I give it 2 enthusiastic thumbs down. Thank you for listening, and good night.